Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete a Bitbucket repository permanently. This is useful when you need to clean up old projects or remove repositories that are no longer needed from your workspace. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to bitbucket.org. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign into your account using your login credentials. Make sure you're logging into the account that has access to the repository you want to delete, as you'll need the proper permissions to remove it permanently. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar of the Bitbucket interface. Here you'll find a list of navigation options. Click on Repositories. This will expand additional options related to your repositories. From there, click on View All Repositories. This action will display a complete list of all the repositories associated with your account, making it easier to locate the specific one you want to remove. Now browse through the list and select the repository you want to delete. Click on it to open the repository's main page. This is where you'll access the settings needed to permanently remove this repository from your Bitbucket account. Once you're inside the repository, look again at the left sidebar. You'll see various options for managing different aspects of the repository. Click on Repository Settings. This section contains all the configuration options for this particular repository, including the ability to delete it entirely. In the Repository Settings page, navigate to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll find a button labeled Manage Repository. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Delete Repository. This is the critical step that initiates the deletion process. A confirmation dialog will pop up on your screen. Bitbucket wants to make sure you're certain about this action, as deleting a repository is permanent and cannot be undone. The confirmation prompt is there to prevent accidental deletions. When you're absolutely sure you want to proceed, click Delete. This final action will permanently remove the repository from your Bitbucket account, along with all its files, commit history, and associated data. And there you have it. The repository has been permanently deleted from your Bitbucket account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.